Hi. Yeah, just looking at the ball, I just think we need to reconstruct it in a different way. So I'll just go through the idea of how I think we should have it working. I think it will cut down a lot of code and just make it a lot easier to create. So here we go. So we've got the first mesh here, which is a ball. I think we'll just create one ball. I can create the different colours and load them from there. I don't think it's worth the while to create a separate ball and do all the animations. I think that's just a lot of extra work you don't need to do. It's only a colour change that's different. So yeah, inside of that, this is the parent object, and what we're doing is just basically hiding meshes on different states. So if it's a bomb ball, the ball turns off, the bomb turns on, and that's visible. Everything else is hidden, and the functionality changes a little bit too. So on bomb, if you hit it on the homer gate, it explodes, which is different to the behavior if it's a ball. But once again, it's just the same object. It shares all of the same animations. When it's loaded on screen, it's moving to the right, the left, sorry. There's no point to code all of that again. There's no point to make an extra object. There's only a few differences. So that's why I want to keep them inside of the same object. The same with the fruit. It's all of the same functionality of the ball minus the one different behavior. So we just hide the mesh. It's important to notice on this one, actually I'll do it on this one, the multiplier, that the object is one solid object, so you'll notice the ring is actually part of the mesh, and the reason I've done that is because when you're deleting the object, sometimes it doesn't delete the children. You have to create a whole lot of extra code to go and find those, so it's just easier to collapse the meshes down into one object. If you've got different materials, sure, keep the materials different on the object, but just keep it as one mesh. I think that was everything actually, so you only needed a little tiny movie, but hopefully that makes it a bit clearer. The other thing here is this is the object that you're animating, so if you're going to be moving around screen, it's taking everything with you, and the beauty of that is that if I have that as a multiplier, the animation works, but if I turn that off and decided I wanted it to be the fruit mesh moving and showing that instead, then that would be visible. That's not hiding, so there we go. So it would just be the same animation that was played again, and that, you know, automatically has coded the workload. Actually probably more than that, because you're not actually creating the yellow, white, green, whatever animations. So yeah, that's just my thought on that. Let's stay sane, kind of.